Imagine a sky so darkened by ash that the sun vanishes behind a curtain of volcanic fury. This is the reality unfolding over Russia's Kamchatka Peninsula. The Krasheninnikov Volcano, a titan of Eurasia's active peaks, has erupted with a force so rare it hasn't been seen in centuries. Explosions roared to life at 6 a.m. GMT, hurling ash 9,000 meters into the atmosphere. A plume stretching 1,114 kilometers eastward like a ghostly fingerprint of nature's power. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this eruption a standalone event, or could it be linked to the massive 8.7 magnitude earthquake that rattled the region just days earlier? Let's unpack the science and the spectacle. The Russian Academy of Sciences confirmed this is the first major eruption of Krasheninnikov in centuries. Now, aviation authorities have issued a red code, a dire warning for pilots. Volcanic ash can clog engines and blind sensors, turning routine flights into disasters. Planes are rerouting and travelers are scrambling. But the drama doesn't end there. That same week, a colossal earthquake struck 150 kilometers southeast of Petropavlovsk Kamchatsky, triggering tsunami alerts across the Pacific. Japan's Hokkaido was the first to feel the waves. Followed by Russia's Kuril Islands, scientists are debating whether this tectonic trifecta, quake, tsunami, and eruption, is a cosmic coincidence or a warning of deeper geological unrest. And this is the part most people miss. Volcanoes and earthquakes are neighbors in Earth's fiery neighborhood. The same tectonic plates grinding under Kamchatka could be responsible for both events. Could the earthquake have awakened the volcano? Or is this a case of parallel chaos? We'll leave you with that question and a challenge. Do you think humanity is underestimating the interconnectedness of these disasters? Share your thoughts below. After all, the Earth doesn't ask for permission to shake things up.